What's good? It's Chigozy. It's June 20th, 2019. And today has a date with 38 numerology, 20 numerology. Gold equals 38 and 20. Gold did have a nice big move after the event yesterday. And although, yes, the market didn't sell off, it ended up pushing up. It's selling off today because of all the hype that pushed it up, because of foreshadowed rate cuts, but they didn't actually say they would. See how it's the 171st day of the year. That's the 18th triangular number. It's also a date with 47 numerology. So here we get, Death Killing Murder 38, Florida 6538. They're going to have Floridian propaganda. They do every single month with this date numerology. Even if we don't see it now, it'll be out later. So, Donald Trump, once again, if you're new to this channel, he's an actor. Iran drone shooting raises risk of war. The showdown with Iran has become the foreign policy. I hope this happened yesterday because shooting equals 3744, and I did say yesterday there'll be a shooting. But it could have happened today as well. Mason 62, Sacrifice 62, Masonry 105, Zionism 105, updated at 1050, Trump or Donald 50, America 50. Iran's downing of a U.S. drone. It could have happened. 1035, the key of David 135. Good number for this. Thursday. That's today. Okay, so Death Killing Murder 38. On that day, they're shooting down a drone. See what drone sums to. Drone 56, 29, 79, 25. Nothing too fitting with the date numerology. But again, today is 6/2. They like to have war stuff on 62 date numerology. War 42. But Freemason 42, Mason 62. Death 20, 45, Ritual 45. But again, Death, Killing, Murder 38. Shooting down a U.S. military drone.
Was shot down over international airspace in the Strait of Hormuz, and the U.S. just coming out also a couple of.
Zionist 112 second video. Iran equals 42, like war. That's why they're saying each side's reassurances that they have no desire to tumble into war. Guys, both of these nations are run by the Freemasons, the Zionist Jews, the Jesuit order. Alright, let's go back to the propaganda. It would have been very fitting if that did happen yesterday. I mean, it could have happened overnight, as in, they could have made it happen Wednesday night in America, but Thursday morning. And then even, it's possible. I don't know. I'm not trying to make it work, though. I'm not the Freemasons. Parents brawl over a 13-year-old umpire's call. 13, the Bavarian Illuminati with the 13 families. One of NASA's first female engineers endured obscene calls and had to use the men's bathroom. Let's look for the number 42 for female, Mason 62. But let's look for just NASA numbers, space numbers, Saturn, Freemasonry. I said we're going to find space numbers and numbers for Freemasonry. Well, the sum of Saturn's magic square is 45. The sum of the numbers 1 through 45 gives you 126. 10, 26. Let's look at what the word space equals in gematria. 26. I mean, it's just stuff like this. I said we're going to get the number for space in the update time. Space 26. Mason 26. 28 like space. Mason equals 62 at 6/20. Again, NASA equals 28 like space. 17 like space. Here at 1026 on 20/6. You know what I mean? Which means that today with 26 numerology, we get space propaganda from NASA again. All the time. Do you see this? Look, what did we just say? NASA 28, Space 28. I just showed you that. Mason 28. And we scroll down this piece of bullshit propaganda from NASA, and the woman, she's 28 years old. Do you understand? We talk about these numbers before we see them in the propaganda. Saturn 69, Masonry 39, 167 is the 39th prime, 16/7. This is the Apollo 11's historic lift. It was by the numbers. It was a theatrical event, a play. I don't think they went anywhere. Joanne Morgan. I hope her name sums to 42. I want to see the female numbers in this. I don't know. I like that pattern because it's really easy. Freemason 122, Freemasonry 58, America 50, Joanne 54 like Sun 18, Ritual 8127, Sun Ritual. Morgan 32 like Scottish, 94, 31, 68 like Pillar. So, and as for her name, her full name is something to 58. Again, NASA found it in 58. So we didn't get the V pattern I wanted, but it doesn't matter. Oh, before I forget, look at her initials. Joanne, J's the 10th letter, M's the 13th, 10, M's 13, 1 3, 1013, a lot like 113. Scottish equals 113. NASA founded a day with 113 numerology. A big number for NASA. That's why on a few days ago we saw that ritual. On the 17th, 6/17, we saw space propaganda that day as well. So we'll leave it there. Zion Williamson's an actor for the Freemasons. Illuminati 120. The draft is fake. The NBA is fake. They're talking about water there, and they're talking about water up here. I'm wondering why. Or maybe it's the same thing. They usually talk about the same piece of propaganda. I know water equals 22 and like 67. Today doesn't. I don't recall the date numerology matching up with water for today. Anyone new? I hope you know how fair I am. If it doesn't match up with the date numerology right off the top, like I'll let you know. I don't say every last piece of here is just one for one by the date numerology. It doesn't work like that. The vast majority of it is, and it's all riddles. It's all coded propaganda. Royal 20 is perfect example. Queen 26. What have I been teaching? Queen 26. It's a royal number. Royal 26. 62. This was published June 17th, but again, it's on the front page today. More royal propaganda on its 2662 date. So look up for more queen propaganda today too as well. Oh yeah, this teen, his vape who exploded. He's 17 years old. Vape 17, teen 17, always 17-year-old, especially in the vape propaganda from the Freemasons. another 33%. Last video we saw 330 million from Bryce Harper. Now we have 33 again. You see how 33 is always used in this Freemasonic propaganda. This is just getting better. Look at this Chinese medicine, the next step in cancer recovery. Another pattern that we have all been learning on this channel. Guys, I'm a pattern based person, and I just point out the patterns, we repeat them again and again, and you learn. China, 26. Today is 20/6. 20 plus 6 is 26. China propaganda right here. Do you see this? Unbelievable. Notice how it's more fitting than Japan and Italy, and the thing that's blown up with the picture is the one that matches the date numerology. You know, the Saturnian actor Donald Trump. So we'll leave it there. Again, Masonic 115. Trevor Noah is a Masonic actor. Make America Great Again. President equals 110. See? Late night host mocks the president. President equals 110. Minute 10 video. Prophecy 110. So I hope you enjoyed this video. 8 moments from the Apollo 11 documentary to watch for. That could be some August 11th predictive programming. Could be. 932, you know, Scottish 32, America 32. All right, take care, peace out.